In this video, the situation is we're currently shipping direct to customers, and the question comes up, should we add a warehouse, ship truckloads to the warehouse, process them through the warehouse, and then because the warehouse is closer to the customers, we can do a series of local shipments to the customers. So what's the cost of those two paths and less expensive? If you're a visual person, here's kind of what it looks like on the bottom. We've got the manufacturer here, and currently we ship direct to the customer. The question we're asking here is that way cheaper? Or is it cheaper for us to ship? And we could have multiple customers, I should add as well. Okay? As many as those are. Or should we ship truckloads to a distribution center and then have a series of local deliveries to the customers? Which one's cheaper? When we look at the formula up here, we've got it wrapped around the screen here because we don't have a lot of space. But this top part right here, which I'm going to call section 1, is basically looking at this part up on top. The bottom half is looking down here, and then you see over on the left, which one's more or less. And so essentially what this saying is, hey, the top half, if the top half, truckload to the distribution center, and then direct to the customer, is less than or equal to direct, then it makes sense to set the distribution center up. So when you look at the top part here, what it's looking at, I'm just going to call this 1A. It's looking at the cost of all the sum of all the truckloads to the distribution center. 1B is saying, well, what's the average shipment distribution cost in to do the work at the distribution center? And then C is the average shipment locally down here compared to the bottom, which is the processing cost plus the freight. So processing plus freight. And that's, there's not a lot of room to put numbers in here without making it confusing. But I thought by putting in the picture, you'd understand the elements, and then you could yourself go in and plug in numbers everywhere to capture these costs and play around with it and see which path is cheaper. So should we go the top path, number 1, or the bottom path, number 2?